Tim Berners-Lee once said, "The power of the web is its universality. Access to those, regardless of disability, is an essential aspect." And this is why I talk a lot about accessibility in my videos about coding. And while everybody may want to learn about, what element does this and what element does that, I think it is important to consider that when we are building things for the web, we want to make what we are building inclusive of everybody, because that's what the web was built for. It was built for everyone. And when we create websites that don't work for those with disabilities, then we are creating barriers to people to accessing our content. And it is important for us to consider accessibility when we are building our website. And that is why I build in education about accessibility into my videos, because I think it's not enough to just learn how to code and learn how to, build in HTML and style and CSS and create function with JavaScript. It is important for us to build our websites so that everyone can use our websites without any trouble. And that's why it's important for you to consider accessibility. It isn't something that you should be only concerned with because of the legal aspects and the fact that you could be sued if you aren't complying with the law. The main reason that we should be considering accessibility is making our websites open to all those, regardless of their disability, because that is what the web was created for. Presented by Designers Learn Code.